legs inside. And grown-ups, please watch your adorable children. Gigi and... It's me, Tigger, and being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please take seats. Put your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And grown-ups, please watch your adorable children. Gigi and... hello.
Hi guys. How many you have?
Adorable children. Gigi.
Push down and then back up under any car. Make it
One blustery day in the 100-acre woods, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Hang on tightly, Roo.
happy windy day.
Ooh.
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun.
Goodness gracious!
Right this way. Hello!
Is very unusual. I have the proposals very smart. They come in ones and twos, but in their so choosels. Before your eyes, you'll see them multiply. Extraordinary, so rare. Because they come in the shape of size. If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it. Because they guzzle up the thing you prize.
What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh. Wake up. Wake up, Pooh.
It's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh. Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pooh.
These are all for you, Pooh Bear. Look at all those presents.
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Tiggers just love giving presents.
Wasn't her